EasyCross-Laser Work Set. Ideal for working close to the ground, aligning tiles or fitting sockets. The laser cross aligns itself automatically when the pendulum lock is released. Thanks to the green laser technology, the fine green laser lines can be seen easily even in bright rooms. Use the crank to position the horizontal line perfectly. The laser aligns itself automatically again. Now you can easily transfer your measurements with both hands, which saves time. We recommend that you check your wall with one of our scanners prior to drilling. The laser can act as a marker throughout the whole process. EasyCross-Laser Work Set from Laserliner.